Now let me introduce you to the style spy. Before you leave the page, don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
Hey guys, today we're making this DIY fishnet, cabbie mesh, whatever. I see so many celebrities wearing this. Rashida, Nene Friend, I don't know who she is, but I saw her and I was like, I have to make my own. So I added my own little bling twist because you know, glitz and glam have to represent. But yeah, let's get started. Here's what you'll need. A hot glue gun, mesh fabric, you can get that from Joann's, a cabbie hat, I ordered it off Amazon, a hot fix gun, and hot fix gems. I also ordered that off of Amazon. Lay your fabric over top of your hat so that you can measure the fabric to see where you want to place it, how it's gonna lay, and all that jazz before you start gluing. It's better to cut once and measure 25 times if you have to. Once you have done that and you like it where it's gonna fit, then you add the glue on there and you just work the glue around the hat until it's secured. After you've done that, you take your hot fix gun and your gems and you just place it on your gun. It's easy. It took me less than like maybe 5 minutes to create this look. Okay, I'm over exaggerating, maybe 10, but who's counting? Until next time, see you next week for another DIY.
Style spy, what you say?